Okay, so in this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be showing the Erie Tools undercarriage washer. This is a low-profile unit. As you can see here, the wheels are about 3 inches tall. It has a 1/4 inch quick disconnect here. Now, the one that came with the unit on mine was cracked along the side, so I had to replace it with a unit purchased at the local Home Depot. So you have 4 jets here, 1, 2, 3, 4, that will spray up at the undercarriage. It is 19 inches, and you can use it with a pressure washer up to 4,000 psi. You can easily remove dirt, debris, and road grime from the underneath of vehicles. I live in the Midwest, so it's good to use because the vehicles see salt in the wintertime when the streets have to be treated. So it comes with this extension pole here that has a quick disconnect on the end here. So that connects here. So that goes like that. So you can use it facing down if you need to clean your driveway or anything. I had a lot of salt debris in the driveway, so you could always use it like this, but obviously you can flip it over and you're going to use it with the nozzles spraying up. It also comes with this Swivel Dolly here that has 2 casters on it. Obviously, your pressure washer, gun, or wand connect to this quick disconnect, and then this female end connects to this end of your extension wand. So as you can see, it rolls pretty good, just like this. When you connect the Mosmatic wand to it, it tends to want to turn on its side, and it's a little bit difficult. It might just be all with your positioning, if you're standing up or if you're squatting down, whatever. So here is the Mosmatic wand, which would connect here. So, as so, sometimes it wants to turn like this, and then depending on if it's not on a super smooth surface or if there's an imperfection in the driveway or whatever, it does tend to want to tip over, but it's not really a big deal. I usually just squat right behind it and just kind of move the bar as I need. So here we can connect the gun. I have this is the MTM SGS28, and it has the swivel fitting from Obsessed Garage. And then you connect your gun like this, your wand. So here you go. So you obviously have your pressure hose hooked up to this, your water on, and then you're able to maneuver the washer around. So my Camaro is slightly lowered, maybe about 1 inch, and I do have subframe connectors, and the washer fits underneath this car with no problem. Obviously it fits underneath my truck, and then your typical passenger car should not have any issues. Okay, so now that you've seen the unit in action, I'm actually standing up right behind it, and as you can see, it rolls well. You can maneuver it around. It does help to have the wand. It gives you a little extra length and extra reach if you have a large vehicle. If you're trying to go from the front of the vehicle backwards or from the back of the vehicle forward, you get a little extra reach. Just a couple tips I'm going to mention is you want to make sure that you have Teflon tape on your fittings so that they do not leak. You want to make sure that your fitting here and on your quick disconnects have Teflon tape so that you don't have any leaks. And then the other thing that I had to do was make sure that the wheels are tightened. The first day I went to use it, I had multiple leaks, and once I fixed the leaks and I went to use it again, the wheels fell off. Literally, the wheels fell off. So could be something on the assembly line, could just be I don't know. It's not really a big deal. So yes, you'd want the unit to be plug and play and have no problems, but 5 minutes of your time will make sure that you don't have any issues. So for this episode of Gav Details, if you are interested in the unit, I will leave a link in the description of the video. If you use any of the links for Amazon, the channel does make a small commission. So with that said, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.